Today I'm put you guys on to some oils for essential hair growth, and we're starting right now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your very first time here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell if you will want or if you would love to see more content like this, especially from me. Come on, join the family. With all that said and done, let's hop right into this video. So I'm gonna just get right down to the bottom of it, right to the point. The very first oil that I'm gonna talk about, the oil that made #1. I'm not saying it's the best, but in my list is #1 is castor oil. Castor oil contains natural compounds that promotes hair growth. This oil is great for if you're trying to regrow your hair from scratch, or if you got like a bald spot or anything like that. And the reason why this oil is so great is because it contains vital qualities such as vitamin E, minerals, and proteins, which are great and which is efficient for hair growth. Number 2, olive oil. Olive oil is high in fatty acids. Fatty acids which smooths and softens the hair strands, and which also protects and coats the hair. Olive oil also contains vitamin E, which basically protects your hair and help to fight against heat damage or damage from the sun. So if you get a lot of heat damage and stuff, like from using excessive heat, from probably your ear dryer, your blow dryer, whatever you use, your flat iron, olive oil would be great to apply in your hair to help protect against some of that heat. Instead of burning your hair, you'll be actually burning the olive oil. Olive oil is the oil you need if you're trying to protect your hair. It works as a protector for the hair. It forms like a film or a coating. Third oil, number 3, is argan oil, also known as Moroccan oil, which contains both, yes you heard it, both fatty acids and vitamin E. So instead of using castor oil or just olive oil, you can use argan oil, which provide the same stuff that they provide in one. But still, all of these oils are great. But let's get back to argan oil. Argan oil also contains antioxidants that protects your hair. Argan oil in the simplest amount, like about a few drops, will not only protect your hair, but will also nourish, will also moisturize, and will also grow your hair. Go out and get you some argan oil, guys. It's pretty good. Number 4 on my list I got is coconut oil. Everyone knows about coconut oil. People use it. I've been using it since as a kid. I grew up using coconut oil not only on my hair, but also on my skin. Just go organic with it, go natural. The more natural the coconut oil is, the better it will be for you. Don't go off of it, just based on scent. I mean, yeah, they gotta smell a little good, you know what I'm saying? But still, make sure it's natural. None of those additives or, other chemicals, whatever in it. Here, it helps to lock in a lot of moisture. Whatever you had, like air products or like simple water in your hair, and you go behind that and put some coconut oil in it, that moisture is locked in. Those moistures are locked in your strands. Coconut oil also helps to prevent damage to your hair, like any damage at all, like from breakage and all that. Coconut oil helps to prevent all those damages and hair loss, basically. It might be a little thick for some people, and they be like, oh, it clogs my pores and all that, but it all depends on like how you use it and when you use it. You gotta know how and when to use it. You can't just just go apply it just like that. It's a little trick to it. Coconut oil also contains its own fatty acids, which support and promote rapid hair growth too as well. And for my 5th and final, which is my very favorite oil ever, like I always use this oil, right? You should know this by now if you're always like paying attention to my videos and stuff, that this oil could be no other than peppermint oil. So I'm gonna tell you straight up right now, I studied this. I studied peppermint oil. The littlest amount of peppermint oil applied to anywhere of your body, anywhere, it could be your feet, your hand, wherever you apply it, supposed to increase blood circulation to where any area that this oil is applied. There might be a little feeling like, you know, that icy hot feeling. I don't know if you guys ever use icy hot, kind of like cold and tingly feeling. That's because it's bringing more blood circulation to that applied area. So let me break this down for you. If you apply peppermint oil directly to your scalp, not just on your hair, directly to your scalp, and you get that cold sensation, that tingly feeling on your scalp, that means more blood is coming up to your scalp. Hold on, slow down. No need to be afraid. Oh, I don't want a lot of blood going up to my head, blah, blah, blah. I feel that, you know. At least you're paying attention. That you're not going to just jump the gun and go do that. But it's not to the fact that, okay, you be bleeding through your nose or anything like that. No red lights. Calm down. So whilst that increases the blood circulation to your scalp, meaning that whatever foods you've been eating, I hope you've been eating balanced diets and all that, all your veggies, your Wheaties, whatever, all that healthy stuff, all that vitamins and minerals, all that nutrients that you've been taking in orally through your mouth, been eating, comes with the blood. It comes in it. So while that goes up there, it goes straight to the root of your hair. And you should know what that equals, buddy. You should know the answer to that equation right there. That equals hair growth. That right there will grow your hair at maximum through the roof. But I'm not speaking overnight. I'm not speaking, oh yeah, I'm going to just try it one time, you know. Yeah, I'm going to just buy it, you know, and try it, you know, because he said that. Yeah, no. I'm speaking, you got to stay on your game. You got to put in the work. And that's it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, click on this video right here. Yeah, that one. And even if you want to learn how to grow your hair, buddy, I got you.